No, I agree. Now, we should promote chastity and no sex before marriage as the ultimate anti-teenage pregnancy mechanism. But also awareness sa pagbibigay ng consent dahil madalas hindi coerced o pinilit, hindi pinipilit in the conventional way of using force ang mga ineng at ihong nakikipagtalik with someone older or someone their senior or someone their junior. They should know that they can say no to any person if they are uncomfortable. They have the power of consent. And that in there, we see that we should also kind of separate consent and regret from the decision that you have made. Again, I promote chastity, no sex before marriage, pero that will be cases na hindi nasusunod or para ito sa mga cases na hindi man nasusunod or just for curiosity's sake kung paano nila, if ever mangyari, gagawin. Yung tamang tamang gawa, tamang paggawa sa the thing that we cannot say. Lalo na ngayon, hirap na tayo sa mga ganyang bagay kasi again, we are increasingly going to the liberal left.